Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on the Huobi Wallet application. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up the Huobi or the HTX wallet application on your smartphone, and if you haven't logged into your account already, you might be asked to log in. So use your credentials or your login code to log into your account, and then you will be taken into this homepage. Now from this homepage, tap on your account icon at the top left corner, and now in order to change your password, tap on the gear icon at the top right. You will then be taken into the settings menu, from which tap on security to end up in the security page. Now from this page, scroll down and tap on login password. You will now find the option to enter your old password and your new one to change it. So go ahead and type in your old password within the first box, and then type in your desired new password within the new password box. Finally, type in your new password once again to confirm it, and then tap on the confirm button, and now your password will successfully be changed within the HTX or the Huobi Wallet application. Now every time you log into your account, you can straight up use your new password along with your email address. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your password on the Huobi Wallet application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.